Let's try some bird breathing. So we'll breathe in, we'll bring our arms up like we're flapping our wings. Then we'll exhale and we'll bring our arms down. We can do that sitting down. We can do that standing up. Or walking around. Let's try 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. How did that feel?